Today we are going to show this amazing welcome hanging letter in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be a professional, watch the video till to the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new presentation slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me go to Insert tab, go to Shape, take a text box and drag our hair like this. Write your text here. Let me write here W. Select the text, go to font session and change into Franking Gotham Median. Now increase the font size from here. Now this is perfect. Now go to shape format, make it no outline. Go to shape text effect, make it offset bottom right. Now go to shape format, go to shadow and make it like this. Now go to give to distances here and make the size 107. Now this is perfect. Now select the text, again go to Insert tab, take a oval shape and drag our hair like this. Hold down the Shift key. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill, make it white color. Now go to shape fill, scroll the mouse and select these one. These are cut inside left. Now increase the petty from 6. Now this is perfect. Hold down the Shift key and make its size decrease. Now I am using the arrows key and adjust here like this. Now this is perfect and resize it small a little bit. Now this is amazing and perfect. My text is ready now. Again go to Insert tab, go to Shape, take a line. Hold down the Shift key and drag our hair like this. Now by using the arrow key, adjust here, go to Shape Style and select Intense Line Dark One. Now go to Shape Outline, go to Weight and increase the petty from here 3 petty. Now this is perfect. Now I am going to make it more dramatically. Again go to Insert tab, go to Shape and take Freeform Scrabble. Hold down the Shift key and drag our hair like this. Now I am going to back Shape Style and select the Intense Line, go to Shape Outline, go to Weight and increase petty from 3. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now press the Ctrl A and Ctrl G, make it group. Now I am going to add some animation from here. Now go to select the shape and I am selecting this one, fly in. Now go to shape effect from top. Now this is perfect and amazing. Open the animation pane. Now I am going to add other animation. Go to here and select the teeter. Now this is perfect. I am clicking here, click in the small arrow, go to effect motion, go to timing, repeat in 2. Now this is amazing and perfect. Now select the text box and press Ctrl D, make it duplicate and drag our hair and make it amazing. Now I am writing here E. Now click outside, select the shape by using arrow key, select this one. By using arrow key, adjust here. Now this is amazing. Again select this one and keep him here like this. Now again press Ctrl plus D, make it duplicate and put here and increase the line. Now I am selecting this one, right here L. Now this is perfect. Again select this one, press Ctrl plus D, make it here like this. Now I am going to select this one and write here C. Click outside and adjust by arrow key here. Now this is perfect. Again click outside, make it duplicate and put him here like this. Now select the text and write here O. Click outside, click here and adjust O from here. Now this is perfect. Again repeat this process and put him here like this. Now select the text and write here M. Now again click outside, select this one and this one. By using arrow key, adjust from here like this. Now this is perfect. Let me zoom out and select this one, put him here like this. Now repeat the process, again press Ctrl plus D and put here like this. Now again I am selected the text and write here E. Now this is amazing. Let me zoom in. Now I am going to change the color of this text. Select this one, go to shape format, text fill and make it red color. Now I am going to here, select this one and make it yellow color. Select this one, repeat the same process and change the color. From here I am going to select the other one. From here I am going to add this one. I am going to add this one. I am going to add this one. Now this is perfect. Let me zoom out. Now I am going to adjust the animation. From here I am selected this one, this one, this one and this one. Now I am going to select with previous and select this one. This is perfect. Select this one, this one, this one and this one. Now this is also perfect. Give delay to 25. Now select this one and this one. Go to animation with previous, give delay to 125 and also here 25. Now I am going to show the slideshow. Now this is perfect and amazing. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button for more presentation and amazing videos. Goodbye.